My daughter is obsessed with The Nightmare Before Christmas, so I've decided to make her very own Oogie Boogie Man.
Look at it.
First, I found an old pillowcase with a hole in it, and I traced it, the size on this paper, and then I drew the Oogie Boogie Man on here, and I'm gonna cut him out. I cut him out and I put him on the pillowcase, and now I'm gonna go get some pins so he doesn't move around, and I'll cut it out on the actual pillowcase. Well, I flipped them inside out after I got them all sewed up, and now I'm cutting up a t-shirt into these little things. I'm gonna stuff them with a bunch of different colors. Now we got them all sewed up and stuffed, and I'm using black acrylic paint to paint on his face. Well, here's my Oogie Boogie. He's all done. I think he turned out pretty cool. I painted some X's and stuff on the side, as you can see. I think Aaliyah's gonna be a happy girl.